Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so I do have some spoilers to show you for the Ipsy July glam bags. These are the add-on spoilers, or at least some of them. So if you're excited about this video, go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on, that way you're notified and you don't miss out on those spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Andy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing some spoilers for the Ipsy Plus August bag. Well, thank you so much, Stephanie Trescott. You're first again, love. Stephanie says, woohoo, first again. You're right about that, girl, honey. You are really fast on that bell, and thank you so much for having your notification set. And also, thank you for coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one out of two chances getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments to pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, now before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. And if you have not yet hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do that during that time. That way there is a little red heart right there. It will turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of the year. So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's go ahead and dive into these spoilers again. Now again, these are some of the add-on spoilers for July Ipsy. So first up is the Kaja Roller Glow Roll-On Highlight and Balm. Next up is the Micro Needle Roller. Next up we have a Tula skincare item. Next up we have the Kate Somersville Wrinkle Warrior. And then we have the It Cosmetics Brow Power. Next up, we have the Tarte Surfer Curl Mascara, and then we have the Sunday Riley Luna Sleeping Night Oil, which we already knew out, it's going to be an add-on. Next up is the Hemp's Citron Crystal and Quartz Lotion, or moisturizer, or whatever. And then last but certainly not least is the Ciate Linen Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer, Hydrating, and Pore Refining Primer. Damn, that's a long name, y'all. Anyways, let me know what you think about these items down in the comment section. Are you going to be getting any add-ons? And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy's link below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Dana. Dana says, wow. Yeah, Dana, honey, I've got so many spoilers. It is ridiculous. I still got 2 more videos before I lay my head down tonight. But Dana, thank you so much for coming and watching the video, honey. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave a comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you still subscribe to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any? Yep, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you, and I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.